Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to archive text message in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your message app. Now from here, if you want to move this text message to your archive list, then just touch and hold it. And here at the top you can see archive option, then just tap on archive and the text message has been archived successfully. If you want to find this text message, just tap on this profile icon. And here you can see archive option, then just tap on archived and here it is. From here you can find your all the archived text message. If you want to remove this text message from your archive list, just touch and hold it again and then tap on this icon again and then go back and here it is. Also, if you touch and swipe right this text message, and that will move your archive list. And that is how you can archive text message in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.